Dear students, welcome back to the online classes. We are discussing with the unit playing with numbers. Last class we have studied about expressing numbers in general form. Last class we have studied about what? Expressing numbers in the general form. In general, for two-digit number, consider two-digit number as AB and three-digit number as A, B, C and four-digit number as A, B, C, D. Now, if we want to convert this two-digit number in general form, we can do it in the way such that B is in the unit place and A is in the tens place. In the same way, C is in unit place, B is in tens place, A is in hundred place. In the same way, for four-digit number, D is in unit place, C is in tens place, B is in hundred place and A is in thousand place. I can write it as 10 times A plus 10 times A plus 1 times B, or I can write it as B. In the same way, unit, tens, hundred, that is 100 times A plus 10 times B, then 1 times C, or I can write it as only C. The same way for four-digit number, unit, tens, hundred, thousand, that is 1000 times A, then 100 times B, then 10 times C, then 1 times D, that is D. This is how you express the given numbers in the general form. Students, also we have studied about if the numbers are given in general form, we have seen how to convert the given general form into its usual form. We have seen conversion of general form into its usual form. Let's move to the next topic, game with numbers. It is an interesting topic where we'll be playing game with the numbers. Now, the first game is reversing the digits. Reversing the digits. Students, you should follow me, or whatever I ask you to do, you should do it. Now, the first step for you is choose a two-digit number. What you are doing now? Choose a two-digit number. Hope you have chosen a two-digit number. The next step is now reverse the number you have chosen. Reverse the digits which you have chosen. Now, the third step is add the first number to the reversed digits. Add 1 and 2. What are the number you have chosen and the reversed digits you should add. Now the trick is divide it by 11. Now choose a 2-digit number, reverse the digits, then add these two numbers and divide it by 11. The trick is always the remainder is 0. What is the game here? Choose any 2-digit number, reverse the digit, add those numbers and divide it by 11. You can see that the remainder is always 0 if you choose any 2-digit number. Students, consider myself as a student now. What I'll do now? I'll follow the instruction given by the teacher. Now what I'll do? I'll choose a 2-digit number. I'll take it as 73. This is the 2-digit number. The first step is choose a 2-digit number. Now what I'll do now? Reverse the digit now. Now after reversing, it becomes 37. The first step what I have chosen is 73. Next step what I have done, I have reversed the number. Now the third step is add this number. 7 plus 3 is 10, 0, carry over 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Now what you should do? You should divide it by 11. If you divide it by 11, what will get? 110 divided by 11. 11 tens are 110. The remainder is 0. This is the trick you have learnt. Now I'll repeat the trick again. Choose a 2-digit number, reverse the digit, add those numbers and divide it by 11. Always the remainder is 0. This is the trick. First trick you have learnt with the reversing 2-digit number. Students, I'll take one more example. I'll choose the number 93. The 2-digit number as 93. What is the next step now? Reverse the digit. Now it becomes 39. The next step is add the numbers. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 here, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Now what you should do? You should divide it by 11. 11 ones are 11, 12s are 132. Therefore, the remainder is 0. Now choose any 2-digit number and reverse it always and divide it by 11. Always the remainder is 0. Students, in general, I'll take 2-digit number as A, B. Now, expressing these numbers in general form, 10 times A plus 1 times B. Now the next step is what? Reverse the digit, that is B, A. Now what it becomes? In place of tens we have B, in place of ones we have A, that is 10 times B plus A times 1 is A. The third step is add this digit. Now what will get? 10A plus A is how much? 11A. B plus 10B is 11B. 10A plus A is 11A. 10B plus 1B is 11B. If we see, what is the common here? 11. Take that out. The remaining terms are A plus B. Now, the next step is divide it by 11. Now, it will get cancelled. This implies the remainder is 0. Because 11 is divisible by 11, we get the remainder 0. This is a general trick we have used to find out this trick. Students, we learn one more trick with reversing the two-digit number, that is again choose a two-digit number. Now what is the first step? Choose a two-digit number. Then what you should do? You should reverse the digits. Choose a two-digit number and reverse the digit. Now subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. What is the third step? Subtract smaller number from bigger number. Then what you should do? Divide it by 9. Now again the trick is the remainder will be 0. If you add and divide it by 11, the remainder is 0. If you subtract and divide it by 9, the remainder is 0. These are the two tricks which are learnt in reversing the digits. Let me repeat again. The first trick is choose a two-digit number, then reverse the digit, add and divide it by 11, the remainder is 0. The next trick is choose a two-digit number, reverse the digits, subtract smaller number from the bigger number and divide it by 9, the remainder is 0. Try out few more examples yourself so that you can learn these tricks. Students, hopefully you have enjoyed and learnt these two tricks in this session. Now try these two tricks on these numbers. Yourself applying these two tricks on these numbers. Also play this game with your friends. Hopefully the class was enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you find my videos are useful, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.